video is here. It's fucking windy today, so you might not be able to hear it properly, but we've got oh, she's clean. She's clean. This needs clean. This is Toby. MX5. Welded this. As you can tell. Drifting last night, it's bad do. Even more of a bad do, we just noticed that the cords are hanging out of the tyre. So we need a new tyre, bad do. But yeah, we're gonna get it all clean. We're gonna finish spraying it black. Boot came back. So we're gonna do that and go spray it all black. I think it looks nice and white, don't you? Yeah. Oh, let it drip. Ooh, snow foam session. Ooh. Right, so lads, it might be a bit dark. I got my car with its headlights on to give us a bit of light. So what happened today was we were going to spray the MX5, and then my dad turned around and said I couldn't spray it on the drive. So yeah, that was good. So we've cleaned everything. Cleaned my car, even though it's a bit dirty now because I've already driven it. Toby's car's clean, the MX. And what we're going to do is we're under this bridge. We're going to spray it black under the bridge. I'll film some of it, but there's no point in filming all of it. And it's shit fucking light as well. So yeah, we'll get some clips, we'll spray it black, we'll show you what it looks like when the daylight comes. But yeah, it should be good. The bodge job has started. This is definitely the most bodgiest thing I've ever done in my entire life. But it's fucking working. It's working. It is. It's coming along. Only coming. Looking good.
Let me fucking talk to you, finished.
Looking good. So hard to do this and record at the same time, not gonna lie. Dick! You're a dick, bitch. Oh, it's done. You know what? First time spraying an entire car. Not gonna lie, did a pretty good job. You know what I'm saying? Yes, okay, basically we've got a bit of an issue. So I went out before, and I said to Toby, buy 4 cans. No, 3 will be fine. Okay, yeah. Well, we tried this, so we bought white paint with a paintbrush and seen if it looked good spotted, but Toby didn't like it, and we ran out of spray paint to get rid of it, so job well done that. So we've got some light now, it's actually looking, my first job, it's actually looking nice. Nice cheap budget of 50 quid, will do us. Actually looks naughty. Obviously over the next couple of days it will all dry properly, it'll look a bit better. So lads, as you all know, the MX5 is complete. I forgot to wrap up the video, so I'm going to wrap it up now, quick time. Just show you the finished product. Oh. This door just needs a bit of a touch up and get rid of that shit. Other than that, it's looking nice. Right, that's so I'm going to end the video there. So this will be a new project that you'll see on the channel. Fucking hell, it's freezing. There will also be, let's add some light in this bitch. So there will also be my project car being featured on the page, and I don't know when I'm getting it. I hope it's soon. Just waiting for the right car to come up. But yeah, so I should have something similar to Toby's. It might not be an MX5 because I don't see the point in having the same car as a mate. I'm looking for something different, but at the end, if I can only find an MX5, then I'll only get an MX5. But yeah, end the video there. There will be a lot more mods coming up on Toby's MX5 when he does decide to pull his finger out of his arse and buy some parts. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.